Good morning, student. I am Srikant Sharma with your first chapter of geography. This is the second video of this revision class. Under this, you will learn about India and the world. India and the world. And second topic, India's neighbor. Second topic, India's neighbor. Student, look here. This is your country, India. Look here. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East Asia and the West Asia. India is a southward extension. This is the southward extension of Asia Central. So, right, first of all, one important question. Right? First of all, an important question. That is, student, the central location of India, the central location of India at the head of Indian Ocean, at the head of Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? Student, first of all, you do open page number 2. Under this, the second row, in the second row, first para and second para answer of this question. Come on. Student, ocean route who connects India with the world. Before 1869, India was connected with Europe by Cape of Good Hope ocean route. This is longer as well as during passing equator dangered also. But in 1869, Suez Canal route opened. This is 7,000 kilometers shorter than this old route. So, at present, India easily connected with Europe by Suez Canal route, and this is also easily connected with East Asia, Southeast Asia and East Asia by this Trans-Pacific route. A student, come here. Your country, India, have ancient relation between East Asia, Middle East Asia and with Europe. That time this land path was known as Silk Road. A student, come on. A next, India's contacts with world have continuous through the age, but here relationship throughout the land road. India spread Buddhism in East Asia, Southeast Asia, and other part of the world. India spread knowledge of mathematics. You know, India gives zero. All over the world. At present, India have economically fifth position in this world. Under trade, India have trade relation between all over the world. So by longer ocean path, India easily connected. India easily connected with Africa, Australia, East Asia, South America, Latin America, as well as easily connected with North America. So, this central position gives significant opportunity. Student, your next topic is India's neighbor. Your next topic is India's neighbor. Student, you know, your country India have at present 28 states and 9 central territories. Your country India have 28 states and 9 central territories. Come on. Look here. Your country India have 28 states and 9 central territory. The smallest state of India in area is Goa. Look here.
Okay.
Goa. This is Goa. The smallest state in area is Goa. The largest state in area, Rajasthan. Student, you know, Rajasthan is 92 times greater. 92 times greater than Goa. Student, the least populated state of India. The least populated state, the least populated state is सिक्किम. सबसे छोटी आबादी वाला राज्य सिक्किम, जबकि क्षेत्रफल में सबसे छोटा गोवा. As well as the largest state in area, Rajasthan, and largest state in population, UP. The largest state in population, UP. Student, your country India have 9 central territory. Look here. This is Puducherry. Old name was Pondicherry. This is Puducherry. First. Second, Andaman and Nicobar group of island. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar group of island is Port Blair. Lakshadweep group of island. Capital Kavaratti. Daman and Diu. This is Daman and this is Diu. Daman and Diu both comes under single central territory. Dadara and Nagar Haveli. Dadara and Nagar Haveli. Delhi. Delhi. 7 Chandigarh. And 2 newly central state, that is Ladakh and Jammu Kashmir. This is Jammu Kashmir and this is Ladakh. Under area, Ladakh is larger, but under population, Jammu Kashmir is larger. Come on, and know about India and their neighbor. Come on, student. Your country India have closely relation with Pakistan. Name of a state bordering with Pakistan. Name of a state bordering with Pakistan. Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Name of state bordering with China. Second, China is your second neighbor country, and name of state bordering with China are Jammu Kashmir, at present Central Territory Ladakh. At present Central Territory Ladakh. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Student, next, Nepal. This is also neighbor country of India. Nepal. Name of state bordering with Nepal: Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and West Bengal. And West Bengal, there near Darjeeling and Jalpaiguri, 2 districts. Darjeeling. Bordering with Bangladesh. Bordering with Bangladesh. State West Bengal. Name of state bordering with Bangladesh. West Bengal, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya and Assam. Here Assam. Your next neighbor, Myanmar. The old name of Myanmar was Burma. Burma, not Sarma. Come here. Student, name of a state bordering with Myanmar, Arunachal Pradesh, Eastern State of India, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. Next neighbor, bordering with Afghanistan. At present, Afghanistan is also known as neighbor country of India, but no any part of India direct touched with Afghanistan, but is very closely with our POK. This is POK. So, very closely with POK. This is part of India. Really, this is part of India under occupied by Pakistan. यह भारत का क्षेत्र है, बेईमानी से पाकिस्तान के द्वारा कब्जा किया गया है और इससे हमारा बॉर्डर अफगानिस्तान से टच करता है, इसलिए हम इसे अपना पड़ोसी देश ही मानते हैं. स्टूडेंट, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर 1 marks, catching your 1 marks question. So I want to send photo of the information. Come here, look here. Student, look here. This is important topic under this topic. India and neighbor and India and the world. Come on. Next. Student, before 1947, your country India have two type of state. The provinces and the princely state. Provinces that is directly ruled by British India, and princely state that is ruled by hereditary king or local leader. Student, your country India is separated with Sri Lanka by Park Street. Park Street. The strait between India and Sri Lanka. First of all, you know what is a strait? A narrow sea channel or water channel who divides two landmass is called a strait. So, this strait is called Park Strait. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow central channel that is called Park Strait. And this is Gulf of Mannar. This is also Gulf of Mannar. Then look here. There is a point called Kanyakumari. This is common point of three sea. Here Arabian Sea, here Bay of Bengal, and this is Indian Ocean. So a point who connects three oceans is called Kanyakumari, not Kumari Kanya. Kanyakumari. Student, India has a strong geographical and historical link with neighbor. Look at the physical map of Asia in your atlas. Student, after this, I want to give you a important information. Your school office is open, so you will submit your fee and your parents also take admission for what who is not enrolled in this school. बच्चों, विद्यालय का ऑफिस खुल गया है। आप अपने अभिभावक को भेजकर विद्यालय में अपना फीस जमा करा सकते हैं। आप चाहें तो अपने पड़ोसियों या अपने परिवार के अन्य बच्चों का एडमिशन भी यहाँ करा सकते हैं। एडमिशन का भी काम स्टार्ट हो चुका है, लोग आने लगे हैं। अतः इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में इजीली एडमिशन कराकर जैसे ही स्कूल ओपन होता है पढ़ाई से उन्हें जोड़ दें। एडमिशन होते के साथ ही वो वीडियो क्लास से भी जुड़ जाएंगे। थैंक यू।